Sorare is a fantasy football game that allows users to buy, sell, and trade digital cards of their favorite players. What makes Sorare unique is that it is built on the blockchain, meaning that each card is a non-fungible token NFT. This makes Sorare cards more valuable than traditional fantasy football cards because they cannot be duplicated or counterfeit. Sorare is also the first fantasy football game to offer real-world prizes, giving users the chance to win trips to watch live games, sign memorabilia, and more. With its combination of blockchain technology and real-world rewards, Sorare has the potential to change the landscape of both sports and non-fungible tokens. If Sorare is successful, it could pave the way for other sports games to use it. The Sorare NFT platform. Sorare is revolutionizing the way we think about digital collectibles. By harnessing the power of blockchain technology, you are able to create truly unique and immutable digital assets. INTs are a new type of digital asset that allows you to own and trade digital items in a secure and decentralized way. Sorare is built on the Ethereum blockchain, which means that all of our cards are stored on the blockchain and can't be counterfeit or stolen. But that's not all. Sorare is also the first platform to introduce real-time trading of digital collectibles. This means that you can buy, sell, or trade your collectibles anytime, anywhere. Sorare NFT collectible cards. If you're looking for a new and exciting way to collect cards, you'll want to check out Sorare. Sorare is a platform that allows you to collect and trade digital collectible cards that are backed by real-world footballers. What's even more exciting is that these cards are verified blockchain assets, meaning they are permanent and cannot be counterfeit. So if you're looking for a new way to collect your favorite footballers, be sure to check out Sorare. You'll be able to find cards for all your favorite teams, and with Sorare's easy-to-use platform, you'll be able to trade and collect with ease. Why Sorare the future of the NFT sports industry is? The Sorare team is on a mission to make collecting and trading digital players as fun, easy, and rewarding as possible. And we think we might just be onto something big. Here's why Sorare could be the future of sports NFTs. Sorare is the first and only fantasy football platform that allows you to trade digital players on the blockchain. This means that your player cards are truly yours and can be traded 24/7 on our marketplace. Sorare has partnered with some of the biggest clubs in the world, including Juventus, Atletico Madrid, and Paris Saint-Germain. This gives a strong foundation to grow and expand officially licensed clubs. The Sorare team is comprised of industry veterans from some of the biggest names in tech, including Google and Amazon. In conclusion, Sorare has the potential to be the future of sports NFTs. The platform allows fans to buy, sell, and trade digital cards of their favorite players. The cards are stored on the blockchain and can be used to play games or sold for a profit. With over 500,000 registered users and partnerships with major sports organizations, Sorare is well on its way to becoming the go-to platform for digital sports cards.